the last video, you were given a list of some of the free computational softwares. This video will provide you a list of some of the commercial computational softwares. MATLAB. MATLAB or Matrix Laboratory is a very popular computational software used in numerical computing. It has more than 4 million users worldwide. As the name says, MATLAB is used to work with matrix. MATLAB may be used to develop macroeconomic models in a financial service industry and risk management. This tool brings out brilliant plotting of different functions and data. This software can work with programs of different languages, namely Fortran, C, C++, C#, Java, and Python. Wolfram Mathematica. Mathematica is a computational software that may be used to create interactive applications to study economic behavior, solve microeconomic, dynamic, stochastic optimization problems, run fast, efficient, large-scale simulations for cash flow testing and other applications. Generate computational agent-based models of dynamic economic systems and more. The mastermind behind this software is Stephen Wolfram. The software is divided into two parts, the front end and the kernel, and can be integrated and shared with multiple other software packages through a protocol or rule called Wolfram Symbolic Transfer Protocol. Interestingly, Mathematica can read and write to multi-chain and Bitcoin blockchains. SAS or Statistical Analysis System is a computational software developed for statistical purpose and is used for analytics in different genres like economics, business, criminal investigation, and even for predictions. It is even considered as the largest market shareholder in advanced analytics. SAS has a better built-in data management system, and hence data mining and data manipulation is comparatively easy. Also, SAS integrates data from variety of sources. eViews. eViews is a computational software which runs on Windows operating system that is used especially for time series oriented econometric problems. It is easy to use a statistical package which is used by students, academicians, researchers, government officials, and even by corporates. One of the very important advantage of eViews is that it supports number of formats for data input and output. GAMS or General Algebraic Modeling System is a high-level modeling system used for mathematical optimization problems which are linear, non-linear, and mixed integer in nature can be solved using this software. GAMS use a programming language called Algebraic Modeling Language (AML), which is a language that allows working with complex models. Although learning of the language requires investment of considerable time initially, but the returns are very significant and could result in skills to solve large, cutting-edge economic problems. All it needs is motivation, curiosity, working with a computer, and a firm contextual base in mathematical economics. SPSS. SPSS, or Statistical Package for Social Sciences, is a popular computational software, not only in the field of social science but in other fields also. All new versions since 2015 are known as IBM SPSS Statistics, as SPSS was acquired by IBM. It has a well-developed single interface where a number of statistical tests can be performed, which results in creation of various kinds of ready-to-publish tables, charts, and reports. Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is the most popular software used for mathematical calculations and is part of the software package Microsoft Office. The software is not only capable of performing calculations but also helps analyze the data and presents the results through powerful means. Excel is based on spreadsheets. The data is entered in a cell, which is an intersection of rows and columns. The entire grid of rows and columns is called worksheet, and multiple worksheets constitute a workbook, which is a file in Excel. There are several other softwares. Depending upon the need and the research you are doing, you may select any of the computational software to solve economic problems. Computational tools are need of the hour. Try to make best use of technology and make it in your learning list. So that's all in this mathematical economics course. Enjoy life and keep learning.